Here's how to display bundle offers inside a featured product using Kaching Bundles without touching any code. This is useful when you want bundles visible outside the standard product page layout, like on a home page or custom section. Start by opening your Shopify theme editor. Navigate to the page where you want the bundle to appear. In this example, I'll use the home page. Look for a featured product section. If you don't have one yet, click Add Section and choose Featured Product. Once the section is added, click on it and select a product that already has a bundle created in Kaching Bundles. Inside the Featured Product section, click Add Block. Blocks are used to add extra elements inside the product layout. Now go to App Blocks and select Kaching Bundles. Once added, the bundle widget will automatically use the product from the Featured Product section and display the correct bundle offer. There's no need to manually select a product here. Everything stays in sync. You can now drag the Kaching Bundles block up or down to control where it appears inside the product layout. For example, you might place it below the product information, closer to the purchase area, or wherever it feels most natural in your design. Adjust the position until it fits cleanly with the rest of the section. Click Save, then preview your store. You should now see the bundle widget displayed directly inside the Featured Product section, using the same bundle logic you already set up. Now that the bundle is placed correctly, the next step is understanding which bundle setups actually convert. And that's exactly what the next video covers.